Hey guys, it's Vesper, and I'm here with my most favorite wolf in the world, Dusky. And today I'm going to show you my wolf figures, the ones that I got out of the storage unit, and just kind of like an updated apartment kind of thing. So we're in the hallway right now, and there's Lilu. And that is the new rug that I bought a couple weeks ago that I haven't had in a haul video, so there it is. It's really awesome. Here's some posters I put up. My husband's zombie posters. And here's another rug that I bought. And it is reversible. You can flip it over to this side if you want, like white and rainbow colors. I really like it. We needed some rugs in here, so that's what I did. And in here is the kitchen. And I have my wolf hanging here. He's supposed to be a toilet holder, or toilet paper holder, but I put this towel on it. And I was going to show this in another haul video, but here it is. Nice little dish drying towel. And I also got this too. Like a mat to lay your dishes on to dry. I really like it because it's rainbow. Oh, here's all my fridge magnets. Very awesome. And sorry, the washer is going, it's kind of loud. And then here is my little wolf sign with the 3 different colored wolves on it. I really like. And then my big wolf picture. And there's gray mist chilling right there on top of the microwave. And then there's a little container with a wolf on it hanging out. And over here, this is a figure I've had since I was a kid from my grandma. Alright, I'm covering you guys up because you're loud. Just for a little while. They're all mad. And then this is a wolf head that my grandma got me too. I've had for a long time. And then this is a wolf from Hobby Lobby. And then this little puppy my grandma got me, and he came with this white wolf. It's really pretty. I don't know the brand on these, but they're really nice. Hey, Lilu. And then I got this really awesome figure from my friend Like You Kermit. She stands right there. Lilu, go on. And then this really pretty figure that my aunt got me a long time ago. He's really old. And someone painted him. I think he came from a craft show. Lilu, go on. And then this one I painted. And here's Romulo and Reba, the DWK Corporation wolves. And then this one I painted. And my husband's dragon figure. And the Gray Rock Collection white wolf. And then this one I painted, he's kind of funny. Hi guys, what are you doing? Chewing on their Sprite box. And under here, here's a really old porcelain figure made in 1986. I found at the thrift store. I just love the fox, he's so cute. And then this one has a light bulb in it and it lights up. I got for my wedding. It was like the bridal shower thing. And then this awesome mug I got from my friend Kyrie. I just love it, and it sits right here. And this I got from a garage sale. It's kind of faded from being outside, but I still like it. And this is from my friend who went to Greece and brought this back for me. I really like that. This I repainted. It was really ugly. It was all gray with white on it. And I thought it came out pretty nice. And then this one is really old. My mom got for me. I like it. And Baron is up there, my eagle. And down here is a red wolf that I got from, I think it's a thrift store. Jim Shore Husky. I got from Hallmark. My Kosen white wolf hangs out right there. I got this Sandacast Husky from Duncan. And this Jim Shore wolf I got from Hallmark. And I'm not sure if this is a fox. I'm guessing it is. But I got that from a thrift store. And then this lights up. It's like a crystal wolf thing. It's really cool. And then this is from Old Time Pottery. And then this one is from my aunt. I really like it. And then I think this is Safari LTD wolf. I don't remember, but there's a black one too. And then this one is from the thrift store. It hangs over the edge. And I really like this one. I got it at the flea market. And a little bunny back there I've had since I was a kid. And this one, I don't remember where I got this. I think it was a thrift store too. It's really nice. What are you doing? Why do you have to pick on her? You're not gonna win. Anyway, here is Intensity by DWK Corporation Wolf. And here's my curio cabinet. This is just some of the ones that are down here. This is one I got from the flea market. And these two from my father-in-law. They're holding wolves. And then this one is called Power Couple, DWK Corporation. Let me open this up right here. And then these four are from a shop when I was in Virginia. Really nice. And these are more DWK Corporation wolves. This is Adelphus. And I don't remember this one's name, but it's new. And Salt and Pepper Shaker. And Call of the Wolf figure. Ice Wolf, I think. And then here's a little husky. A Samoyed. More Call of the Wolves. Mother's Love. Dreaming Wolf. On Eagle's Wings. I can't remember this one's name. Turquoise moon. Nature Harmony wolf. I love that one. And then here's my little husky. Little wolf there. Blood Brothers. Soli Luna. I can't remember this one. Dark Wood Wolf. I can't remember that one either. And that one is Stone Magic. Back there. And then some crystal ones up here. And my two little wolves with gold on them. And then these two. And that is what's in my curio cabinet. And then this wolf up here is from Hobby Lobby. And this one is from my awesome friend Kyrie and her husband. And this one is from Garden Ridge. And here is our living room. I just put these pictures up yesterday actually. They are dream catchers. And then the wolf in the middle. And I just took the blankets off the couch because I'm washing them. There's my wolf pillow from Walmart. And my husband's car pictures. There's Dakota chilling out there. And some of my figures down here. This is the one I colored. And then these are all the Funko figures. My Little Pony. And then the little ones are the mystery boxes. I just need to get Lyra. Those two glow in the dark, and then there's Black Twilight. And then I need the colored Discord and a black Trixie still. And there's my dream catcher. Get off the couch. Get in your bed. Get in your bed. You're not supposed to be on the couch. Your bed. And he puts his toys in the middle so I trip over them. And there's another picture right there. And a banner. And then the standing wolf. And this laying one. And my other cozen wolf. Another zombie poster. Another dream catcher. My wolf lamp and table thing. And I have this dog sitting here by their dog food. And then the Jurassic World poster with the raptors on it. My calendar. All of my birds. And some wolves up here. Here's my dinosaurs. There's my wolf lamp back there. Allosaurus some little puppy dogs. Random stuff. Here's my McDonald's minion that I got yesterday. Makes little noises as he falls over. So, my husband's dragon's right here. Dragon lamp, toothless. My shells. So, yeah, that's pretty much it, and it's just some stuff that I set up. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and please comment and tell me what you guys think, and thank you guys so much for watching.